Dear students, in this section we are going to learn concept of center of mass, that is velocity and acceleration of center of mass. We will learn the application of this concept through certain illustrations. So let us move to illustration number 1. In this illustration it is given two balls A and B of equal masses are projected upward simultaneously, one from the ground with speed 50 meter per second, that is in the upward direction. You follow the diagram, and second from the top of building of height 40 meter, and it is also projected in the upward direction with speed 30 meter per second. Okay, find the maximum height attained by their center of mass. That means the center of mass of A and B, we need to calculate what height it will attain. That's the maximum height reached by the center of mass of A and B system. Okay, so let us move to problem analysis part. This is the diagram. Okay, now let us select A and B as a system, ball A and B as a system when they are traveling. When they are traveling, the only force acting on the system, that is the gravitation force. That is the gravity force. That means the acceleration of the center of mass should be G downward direction. Okay, so let us do one thing. Let us find the initial height of the center of mass at the time of just before throwing the balls. So here we write the initial height of the center of mass as y initial c, we can write that is equal to mass m multiplied by 0. Let us take this as the initial level. So m multiplied by 0 for this, plus m multiplied by 40, because this height is 40 meter, and divided by total mass, that is m plus m, that is equal to 2m, and this is equal to 20 meter. This is the initial height of the center of mass just before throwing, or you can say just at the time of throwing. Now let us find the initial velocity of center of mass. Initial velocity of this ball is 50 meter per second in the upward direction, and this is 30 meter per second also in the upward direction. Let us consider upward direction as positive, so we can write UCM equal to m multiplied by 50 plus m multiplied by 30 divided by m plus m. This will be the initial velocity of the center of mass. Okay, now we know, as we discussed, the acceleration of center of mass is G downward direction, and we have taken upward direction as positive. That means the y downward direction should be negative sign, with the negative sign. So acceleration of the center of mass should be equal to minus G. So this is the acceleration of the center of mass. Now we know, for the constant acceleration case, we can apply kinematics equation, right? So here we can apply the equation v square equal to u square plus twice as, because we are required to find the maximum height reached by the center of mass. We know the initial velocity of the center of mass, that is UCM. We know at the maximum height center of mass velocity should be 0. So we should use the kinematics equation, that is the VCM square equal to UCM square plus twice ACM H. Okay, H here is the maximum height reached by the center of mass of the two balls. So let us substitute the value. VCM should be 0 and UCM equal to 4. This is UCM. If we calculate, this is value we can calculate here. This is 50 plus 30, 80 divided by 2, m and m will get cancelled. So this is 40 meter per second. Okay, so let us substitute the value in this formula. So this capital H value will be 1600 divided by 20, that is 80 meter. And we know the initial height of the center of mass, that is 20 meter. So we can write the maximum height reached by the center of mass as initial height plus capital H. So this is equal to 20 plus 80, that is equal to 100 meter. So maximum height reached by the center of mass should be equal to 100 meter.